Welcome to our comparison of the Hohem iSteady M6 and the AOCHUAN M2PRO, two popular smartphone gimbals. In this video, we will explore their features, performance, and value for money to help you decide which one suits your needs best. Let's dive into the details. The Hohem iSteady M6 features advanced 3-axis stabilization, ensuring smooth and steady footage even during dynamic movements. In contrast, the AOCHUAN M2PRO utilizes a simpler 2-axis stabilization system, which may not provide the same level of smoothness but is adequate for casual use. If you prioritize high-quality stabilization, the Hohem iSteady M6 is the clear winner. The Hohem iSteady M6 is packed with features, including AI tracking and a convenient OLED display for monitoring settings. On the other hand, the AOCHUAN M2PRO simplifies operation by eliminating the need for an app, making it user-friendly for beginners. While the Hohem offers more advanced functionalities, the AOCHUAN focuses on ease of use. When it comes to pricing, the Hohem iSteady M6 is priced at $209, reflecting its advanced features and capabilities. In contrast, the AOCHUAN M2PRO is much more budget-friendly at $59, making it an attractive option for those looking to save money. Your choice will depend on whether you value premium features or affordability. In conclusion, if you are looking for superior stabilization and advanced features, the Hohem iSteady M6 is an excellent choice. However, if you are on a budget and need a simple, easy-to-use gimbal, the AOCHUAN M2PRO is a great option. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons like